is ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of all apps, go to settings then, and find and select themes and wallpapers. Just mark it, and now pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. I will go with wallpapers. Just give all needed permissions, and here you can either pick something from your own gallery or pick one from ASUS pictures. So here you've got them. You can see how they look on your home and lock screen, and just pick the one that you want to apply. It can be like this, so just tap on apply to confirm the changes, wait a couple of seconds, and from now on, as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen, and also second one is on your lock screen. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.